Today, we will be recreating Karaba's look inspired by the animation feature film Kirikou and the Sorceress, based on an African folktale. Karaba is the sorceress and the main antagonist of the film that takes place in a little African village. A village Karaba has cursed, causing the spring to dry up and the men of the village to mysteriously disappear. The villagers think that she has killed these men by eating them. To give you some context, the film starts with the birth of a baby boy named Kirikou. Tiny Kirikou is unique. He can speak and walk immediately. In fact, he practically walks out of his mother's womb, cuts his own umbilical cord, and even names himself. From there, his mother tells him all about Karaba, the evil sorceress who has a deep hatred of men. He is keen to get rid of Karaba's curse on the village and understand why she is evil. So he sets off to help the last warrior defeat her. He manages to trick Karaba and save his village, but he isn't able to defeat her. He visits the wise man of the mountain, who reveals why Karaba is so evil. She is cursed by a poisonous thorn, driven into her spine when a mob of village men raped the beautiful young woman and forced her on her back. The pain of this poisonous thorn has transformed Karaba into an evil sorceress over time. The pain and the poisonous thorn symbolize the real pain Karaba feels after going through and surviving this horrible ordeal. The aftermath of sexual abuse can be shattering, and recovering can be a painful process. The impact of sexual violence goes far beyond physical trauma. The way Karaba isolates herself from the rest of the villagers reflects the sense of exile and alienation Karaba experiences. She feels like the village isn't a safe place, and that she cannot trust the other villagers, especially the men. Upon learning the truth about Karaba's evilness and why she has such hatred towards men, he manages to trick the sorceress once more, but this time it is to remove the poisonous thorn from her back, freeing her from her curse. Karaba kisses Kirikou, whose own spell is then broken, and he is transformed into a beautiful young man. And not long after, the missing men who had been turned into the sorceress's watchmen reappear, revealing to everyone that Karaba didn't, in fact, devour them at all. Cleopatra was powerful. She proved that women can do what men can do, and equal to the male rulers of her time. Let's hear more about this legendary woman. Cleopatra ruled Egypt for 21 of her 39 years of life. She was born into a Greek family who ruled Egypt at the time. As a young woman, Cleopatra showed high intellect and signs that she was destined to be a great leader. She studied all kinds of subjects, including science, literature, and philosophy, and even mastered 9 languages. When her father died, he left the throne to 18-year-old Cleopatra and her 10-year-old brother. However, Cleopatra and her brother didn't exactly see eye to eye, and she had to flee to Syria. Cleopatra eventually assembled an army large enough to dethrone her brother and declare the throne for herself. Her determination, alongside her legendary beauty and powers of seduction, earned her a place in history. But the story of Cleopatra shouldn't only be reduced to her beauty, beaded braids, kohl-rimmed eyes, serpentine accessories, and irresistible charm. Cleopatra, the last pharaoh and first female ruler of Egypt, is also known as the femme fatale who captivated 2 of the most powerful Roman leaders, Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Cleopatra's story has enchanted people for centuries. The long and complicated history behind this master charmer, who used her feminine energy to command an entire army, is alive with mystery and passion. But no one can deny that her story is one of strength. She was extremely persuasive and brave. She used these qualities wisely to lead. Cleopatra was respected. Her people admired her. She was a legend long before she died, and 3 centuries after her death, she is still worshipped by many. She is an inspiration. She inspired her people as much as she inspires and fascinates us today. Cleopatra liked to live life in the fast lane and to the fullest, making bold decisions to enforce change. Sometimes her risks made her unpopular, but she never accepted defeat. She is a shining example of a strong woman. Cleopatra shows that beauty goes beyond the physical. True beauty comes from inner confidence and knowing who you are.